My name is Rocky Guarriello, and I'm the owner of Ultimate Textile Incorporated in Rutherfordton, North Carolina. I was brought up in a textile plant with my dad. I worked for my father for a lot of years and learned every job in the plant. My grandfather was an immigrant from Italy, and he worked in textiles all his life, and my dad went in the Navy. When he came out, he worked in textiles. My oldest son is 44, and he's my plant manager, and my grandson is 20. He works here. At the end of 1983, my dad said to me and my two brothers, "Would you like to buy me out?" And we bought my dad out for whatever the appraisal was. And I lasted 10 years working with my brothers. Family business was a little tough. And for 2 years, I looked at 62 sites, and this site happened to belong to a truck driver who had been coming to my plant for 8 years that I got to be good friends with. So I came here in 1994. And my average employee, I've been in business almost 25 years, my average employee I think is 23 or 22 years. That's pretty good. I mean, I've been through a lot with them. They've been through a lot with me. One of my favorite business philosophies is something that my father and my grandfather used to tell me. The eyes of the owner make the horse grow fat. If the horse is being cared for by the owner, the horse being the business and the owner being the owner, then the horse is likely to live longer, be healthy, and give you good service. In other words, if you get on the back of the horse and you need that horse to run 20 miles, if it's a healthy horse, you'll be able to do it.